Please stand away from the platform edge.
Can I take your portrait real quick?
Oh yeah, absolutely, brother.
Cool.
I'm not sure how I look right now with all the snow.
What's your name?
Ray.
Ray?
Yeah.
Brian.
Brian.
Nice to meet you, Ray. What do you do?
I'm a software engineer.
Nice.
The last 2 months I went from Dallas all the way to Pennsylvania, and because my family lives in New York, I came over here to visit them. And I
You
knew
picked
that
this
today
weekend?
Huh?
And you picked this weekend?
Yeah. Purposely so, actually.
Oh, okay. Well, you can definitely enjoy the snow then.